fellow Ghanaians, in the measures put in by government in response to the novel coronavirus disease, which has so far affected some 118,000 people across the world. WHO has now characterized it as a pandemic.
Coronavirus, COVID-19, crowd. Why the fever never bow? Abre, do, anti-scent, anti-taste, yo, and to me, didi. I born in the code, and to me, Jaumo, feel dizzy. Papa, baby, I say, baby, Esha, we cook, nipa. Europe, we cook, human African, Sudan, grass, and baba. She, soldier, Suro Corona, lawyer, Osuro Corona. Malam Suro Corona, wala wo paste yo Suro Corona. Meye bayati to bia Suro Corona no. Meye bayati ye ina ye Suro Corona. Usu Suro Corona, so uno smack si seluko kroma. Mama we feel to meet the social distance and we ponano. Olo wo safe semina ye, and sanitizer no fe bi fe ye, mentam kwekwe. Inishia not lefi. Sisa di yenchima. Yenchima pone sheshia. Yenchia pone chechia. Tika kasa tinti na jweni tetia. Kofie na mayehu. Mayati tobia.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Abusia say and then so menya na fi meno babedi juma what we ding say the community and the law. Your family reku frimpon. Nyame adom wamayen enkwa wamaya hoden say yene mo emehia ne mfa emro BWF Solicitors aseye na ye wasabre BWF Solicitors ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo 7 Sisters North London na say ye no won ehia sa na ye kwa say ya den na ye kokoye ewo ho ye koye ene say ye de yemra mu ensem ene nkomo nyina ekogya won na say ye de ekokoma won wa den no ye maye wo hwe eka ho asem ema enema etuto yie say eye wo immigration application na wo ye say wo de emra mu nsem bi na wonte ase ne nchichu mu a ne nyina no wo de koma BWF Solicitors a ombedi ho dwuma de amount eno nti say ye ne won ahia sei na eneme ndai Saturday ye toso mienu menkanesa ewo 2021 mu no na ewo say ye de aseda amount BWF Solicitors almost saying or say they are our preferred legal partners and we also tell them they are our preferred community lawyers.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
We say watching a bang with video. No, we are live on YouTube. A BWF Solicitors page and also Sanso and I live at Facebook BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors any ebedin komwe na enanso so mi bisa wo say a free say ye share a fee 2021 I say and then why your application o dwene ho say appointment to be na fee wo de application bi akotum wo baby ana so say bibi na won ti ase e na wo de nwonwan mesra enko baby a fa ekokoma BWF Solicitors na fee yemfa ho emuaye nyina emfa emma wa dan won na fee wo de won ho ato won so no up to 99% obia enya the rightful answer and the right decisions going in their way. And also so ye baba be di enkomo na me bisa wo say Brexit ye can say titiri mu a na mokuta EU nkrata no munya applications bi o muntwen na 31st December deadline no e betwa mu a watching ya we na say entwen emma no metwam ansa na wakasa me ho akire me ene abesen ko na otwe ba akwa abesen ko last week muka se ye di nkomo no boss bebre say wo say transit visa bi kra so abene namu ama airlines na me ma me hye company ade ye de yesere na so ni nyina no ehia ene me ba be bisa say what are all the avenues and ways obetimi explore to regularize your stay in the UK? E ade a megiri ye say ehia opa me so ehia me eno nti tetena na afi yemra emedi enkomo ene mitri ayeye BWF Solicitors wo mo abi o mapono ede amami say memra na me san medi nkomo matwe lawyer for na firi o mo desk achi say o momra na afi yemedi nkomo ene nso so menua lawyer Patrick ewo ha abrantie pa amafo hu ni poster say brai ogina mu yes ogina mu pa apart from say yenim sani obesi ede kasa ene nkomo na brain no waben ewo mra no mu eno nti ene nso so yemra na afi yemra medi nkomo lawyer Patrick afi mi nhia wonti me mo official pa.
All right, yes, Oreku. I think come to infusion fee so. Ti afi sabra na ye nyini pa ye kese asense. Na nyame bambo no so aye kese na ye tinkwam ahoɔden mu na sika no so aba.
Sika no hia.
Edeso hu hia. Nti do ye bo nyame mpa ya. I hope say atiefo nyina obi a ho ye. Ye si afefufuro mu. Ye nyina ye nim afi etwa mu no de na ene ye wo ho. Saa de na ene ye wo ho no afi betwa mu enkoye. Nti no date no keke e na asesa. But de ne ewo mu dada no de ye nyina ye nim say ye da so awom. Nti ahweye ene hia. Say nyina ye behwe ye ni aboy ho ban. Because I'm say baby a ekeka kono de afi de ayetro. Nti yenye ahweye pa.
Is it cry see na nyina ye nda sa.
Exactly. Yes. Nti no I'm say oni obusua tifie kura na wan hwe a ebedu ba bi no ebe ma mo hye max ansa na motimi akasa. Because ukokrum na oni nkofo fufuro kunya interaction, uko shopping na oba fie pa the likelihood say obekwa ko fa bi de afi ho de aba no it's absolutely very high. And you know, one share ye be dum rebi no sana ya sisna no eba beye. So no abusua tika mu kra na mo share nose marks no because you never know when obekwa kofa no we be yesi nkola no nko school. The perception was that nkola no entumi nya bi. But you few isolated cases are am I say, you know, indeed nkola no so betimi nya bi. One of it you kind one some na very fatal they are cause sign or no ne ma me mpanimfo wo fi e mo ewu agya no. So, you know, idea as I say your ma ye ni bre wo ho na ye hwe ni ye ni nyina etumi e boy ho ban se ne emra no ehihye e de ato de ama. Yes. Sana ye de be ma atifo sisi a.
Afi Bigidi say apart from say enema ye ngom say 2020 enema eye ngom ka say na no mo de mo antia na so mo koso ye adwuma observe all the protocols ema obi bia ne krata asem ne ade na e wo se ko bia ni motimi ema de ekọ ye ema nti ye damase na ye ba na ya ba bibisa say before 2020 end no mo ma yenti na EUSSO munya ho applications ni ade ababa senko eno en bitua no question we mebisa na me say be said bio. I hope I'm not sounding like a broken record or being naive. 2020 besenko en bibi atie gina na say life still goes on.
Well, me da shoreku 2020 besen ye no bibi antin gina ye.
Okay.
And EU mrano said ye nim no say na year adwuma dada ansana the implementation period na be twemu a it is not seized as senior ye nim no. The reason why I say that is for instance omo aye tu omo fo say we a family member obetimi aye application you know within that period now omo aye no bebre na application pending.
Okay.
It is pending there na emra ye de be yes application ho adwuma no EU law no.
Okay.
It no still applies to those people. There are other people so are omo tie yasem a formal relationship within the period na yeso omo nye no. Nti obi oware in June but we nya kwan anya an application. Nti we say ni pakro na wa formal relationship with ABI emphasizing EU national and sana deadline period no of 31st na eba say. Nti say nipa we so onya application still no or ho kwan so obetimi aya application.
Okay.
Ai wo mu sisi ai obetimi aya application. One ne ma ne ma menom ne papa nom ne abusua omo wo sa line ni mu aye from direct family members and answer close family members no nyina. Omo nyina still ano e wo sa akwanya no say omo betimi aya application this year. But as so omo ye ntem because emre entwen obi a. Nti no say wa ma 31st na bepa ho a still no akwanja no wo ho na emom no enwo ho afebo because eventually no ebesizi ebe come to an end yentumi emfa nye adwuma na che say imras fufo na o mahihya amaye no eno na ye de ba be ye adwuma nti ehu behia say uyo obi a o formal relationship na wonya application na animanim ya no esese o ye because akwanya no wo say obeye se ma wo mu a obetumi de o maba eye oba na ode na ba obetumi de naba eye wo yire na waware na unyanya application na obetumi de naba ekunu e na ode na ba sankofo nyina o maame o papa all of those people no you can still bring them. The only other category of members are omo kan obusua ho a eno no yet bibia aba awiye by the 31st no extended family members.
Okay.
Even with that no so you be a wa akukudro you can test the waters. See sir.
Talk away the way they cook.
You know, and you know, we feel sad. I mean, going forward, no. Sisia banuna. I say, I be jabi na but a bedu baby no. Ebia, a near maybe PPF from moi. A bet to me, ama even the extended family members now. We feel say, almost a route, no. It's come to an end by the 31st, no. A bet to me, I resurrect ama. Hopefully, no. Going forward, no. A bet to me, it's superior. Can say yes. mo kra so no kra no mo betimi aye application if you can show say by the deadline period no not the relationship no was there and say we are dependent na we depended on a family member no as at the time
me ntwa no me do see ma me say sa relationship na ye kire say na ewo ho no sebe me wo fa se bi a o ye me relation me wo ewo Ghana me hwe no kwan bebre so me dan because I am kata se me so me ni me nuan sebe me timi fa phone na ma frɛ madam for bi kra wo chrome say kokoma so me say 1000 Ghana cedis mami me ni record wo ho how do I prove that?
Well, yes, I think that you discussed our question way before.
A man for
yes,
that's be say.
Of course. Who here? Bibia uye biano evidence a key, especially with the Home Office, no? Because ye near many be or for instance, yawo 2009. Over Babuchi, birth certificate, a green one, and ya trust say ya register or birth no 2020. Home Office for N10 on say. As far as our mere concern, we are running to war Ghana within the year, no, as I say a register of birth, no. Now we need sa birth certificate no to show. So they are expecting that number one, sa short birth certificate. Now we know say since 2009, Ghana introduced biometric birth certificate. Until they so be any nubi. Na no na o de be kwa o passport even. So we need no now passport no you cannot take it. So since then, we've been doing that. Into the green birth certificate neba, not the short one no nkahua. Then Home Office questions it. So I didn't think I 2009, not 2020, and our birth certificate. Into normal jintum, into no refusal because on your family member, to be improved. And that is where, as a firm, no, there be a recommendation for any DNA to support that. Because opese o ye no one touch na free ho enya free na wo kongo nwa na obi a o ye case worker until birth certificate na se no obena me no so dey refuse o but even that we've seen say omubu omanigu DNA no so but for us that is not an issue because we know so we can challenge it because we got the evidence and you know that is how you prove the relationship now with the dependency na ye ka ho asem no it could be say yes send your working obi wo Ghana nti no no wo sika immediately nti wa friends o fa sika ma ya o mame or the sika na ko e bia wo ni sa records but e bia wa ye few money transfers are e wo ho because the notion is say nka wo ba ha since 2005 no e say nka wa send na ye say emra en kasa nti so wa send ni sika ni bi now wo evidence no wo ho a we are saying say yes nipa no depend on also enye se o mane no transfer no nko a na ebi wo so a utimi de ma osimesia na obenten an free UK ko e mane de koma no ebi wo so a ofre Ghana ma obi a wo ho a immediately no betimi ama no sa sika no e mane ma no nti all of sa nyema we nyina no oh yes argument no in a cover letter
okay
na ebi so a efia nipa no timu no una wa hide ama no nti udin wo so se o osimesie benten a oti UK e na han edan we 2-bedroom apartment e de ama ne wo fa se ya manu e ma ya manu ne te ha ono e ne betua rent no bosumi bia na se afibia in fact e bi na wo receipt a e kire se afibia no uko renew contract no nti na afibia no di sika kɔ e ma ye kutua e ye rent no na ya obema atumi asa atena mu ebi mpo aye ka say ukura ukọ Ghana saa efi ho no ehọ na one ya atena nti wo photos e chese efi ha me ne yaw me fira brochi ba me ne yaw e na hwibo mu ha nti no bibia chese ampa se nipa yi oye obi a wo na wo hwe no e na wa kire eniema a chese ampa se wo na wo hwe no so then Home Office has got no business questioning say adentina since 2005 na wo ba ye no untimi nkyerɛ sɛ wo na wahwɛ na ebia na 2005 a wo bae no make us say na yaw ebia na asetena mu ye kakra but enei asetena mu nye so you've taken over nti ba bia wo taking over every no na what shows our proof there then that's fair enough nti no all of these things no etiefo ne abusuafo betimi aye na omo de ahye omo asem no mu ema amemu ayedin ayedu. And that is why I say, sir, perhaps even going forward, a time will come, your GD say, extended family members would still be able to come on the basis, sir, at the time of the end of the implementation period, not the relationship was there. So the relationship was there in the sense that number one, my birth certificate can prove that. If that fails, sir, then DNA can prove that as well. So that is your relationship ticked off. Now about we have dependency, Dependency, so you are discussing. Before the end of the implementation period, now money ya osika. It is our receipts ni nyina no ewo ho a obetimi de akyerese ampa. Before that deadline, you were doing these things. Into no making application on that basis. Obedu aso then you continue from there. Into no. In a nutshell, now things say it's dragged on, but this is how me feel say a TF4 betimi a demonstrate say nipa ya kind of one me or in a busuani so a extended family member will meet his requirements. So you're a basuswa now or you're over 21 again will meet his requirements. And bano any problem than your friends say extended family members, which is where you see your WORAE is not a war. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I was in for opinion what's in a lawyer war BWF solicitors I say na ocheche ye niema no eni so senior I was say AC acro or say manen how what catches won't catch because BWF de bia no muka opinion da no na Uncle Ben eka say mrano ene ehonsem kana a strategy no mo nso so o ma widare mu pa anunti frɛ wɔn free Monday to Friday obetimi enya wɔn wɔ telephone number no so 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. But program is so a community and the law obetimi afrɛ wɔn wɔ 0208 123 1016. Make I will say a live our Facebook BWF solicitors. Yeah, live our YouTube and also so a BWF solicitors. Menchia abusiafo or more about program no so our Facebook and YouTube gift ya di Augustine Abwa Josepho and Yami Instrao Ajiwa and Ajimai also so winning no now cancer want to sound but city sorted in out Kwabla Kwachi also was na hima sapon Ajimai Ajiwa okay what you know about Sanso so any war Mayanate also was so Mawena Koku what you was so Sanso near war Docas Adom ye war Linda Ademununkum Sanso so near Mimi hi daddy Germany for no. I feel almost someone did the family before, but photo now, Mahu very crop. It's unfortunate, it says they say, Muntimi share base, but we share page on that amount for and Timmy and Hunosenia, one so be Timmy Enya, a home emphasis or Bahima Vicky or Philip Amankwa, Sansonia was Santa Richard, Daniel Opong, Nana Kweku Amankwa, Sansonia war a queer McDonald. Kenneth Kofi Ofori Boatin Antobam also waba Dorothy Ahenkra and your work cabana say kwesi sapon waha Asante Richard waha Asante Richard say the program is really helping me say so and cabana say ebisa when can we call mami bisa my next question na bisa next question ni we are na fe mama also watimi aba edode no aba enti enkwachiri kra enchekra and memo bisa questions bebre because lawyer Patrick Oha obeyi ano ede amai good afternoon BWF solicitors family good afternoon also so ye chow ma min call na me miss next question say lawyer Patrick EU dia no na yeta eka na EU dia yeta eka mami makes a bill say when ye EU citizen na sa 2020 dia no aba sing akwa we are then and ultimately regularize it wo asetna e wo UK ha how do you do it EU dia na say for na aba sing kono amani memo ya ding and what do we do how do we do it?
Yo Reku, very good question. Yes, and yɛnyinaa nim sɛ EU free movement no ɛyɛ ade a aboa nipa bebree. Na ɛyɛ very very favorable as well. Ɛna afei nso no ɛyɛ very cost effective because sɛ wohwɛ sɛ wokɔfa oyere free Ghana ba na untua hwee, not even a penny. Na wode wo mma so asa aka ho, ɛmfa ho ne nkwalaa no dodo o, ɔmu nyinaa wode ɔmu bɛwura mu free. Omo ba no mbedu asoso a omo asetena mu no bibia wasa ya another application and also for free. Nti no na kyerɛ sɛ EU emra no abɛboa yɛn ama yɛ system mu ahenhan. Ɛno nti na yɛtwa adwo edi abobo edu sɛ ebe free yɛn. Because aboa nipa bebree. Nti na nka yɛ wish ne sɛ ebe stay na akɔso na aboa ebusua. Because enyo obia na ebenya saa sika no ɛde ayɛ the year can one semi. Into no very sad. But and yet and no soon kwane kwanya obe faswa obetimi atena krom ha and also be free Ghana aba krom ha. There's so many other avenues. But because we need cheap into no go for focusing attention no so.
That's right.
Because and also favorable. For instance, so o worry ye near. And Francis or o worry ye near time now be worried or no. That is when legal status no it starts. Until for instance, koye bibi to say or British citizenship na ye kind say bia oba ha no or British immigration rules are. Then from the time now worry we no ye count to say our time ni nyina no now ha legally. But that's what I say. It is not the same for obia if you are worry British ni and also obia or ye settled it will come. Okay. So back to your question, no. Say ye candia send him di can. There are so many other avenues you betimi explore. Na yetimia atena krom ha na say be free Ghana. One of them so ubia or yes settled ewa ha. It's your British citizenship and also or permanent residence and they yedibia be kan wa mana settled status, indefinite leave to remain. Omo war humanitarian protection and this uncle phone nyina no. Omo setemu wa ha no bibia restriction in ho nti no sankrofo yi ombetimi akofa omo ho kani e de free Ghana ba.
Okay.
Na emom no nhihye da ho ne say esese wo meet certain requirements.
Okay.
And one major requirement a woman eno no I say stumbling block amankofo bebre no the financial requirement, which is 18,600.
There's a FIBIA and also when you see 18,600.
That's right. Now let's clear this perception I wore young call for team.
Okay.
And it said, young call for no be fee say 18,600 na year cano. As I said, what count to one at or the better, but and yes, sanity.
Okay.
What is required in this say a jumana o yeno. Ejumeru ase afibia no ebia mema £20,000. It is £20,000 no
bia
na wenya bi. It no eno na ye hwe. It is for instance we your application amount ho kani from Ghana for the first 6 months no. So you put it together o gross income na is see enya bibia at least ebebro 9,300 and I said 9,300 because that is the split between 18,600. It is all was idea. Not for us, no. Then number one, we meet our financial requirement. In terms of say can wo account to mo, and I say account to mo ye will be frame me. And no say brother say and I'm in transfer can go to account name because an account to mo ye fair. And yeah no na ye share. Say we do mass obema 18,600 and also obema 20,000 there. Then number one, when meet our financial requirement.
Okay.
Then you have to have accommodation. It's so what baby who can you obey? Oba, ubetimi natana. Again, there's a perception be said. As I say, okoji 4-bedroom house and also 3-bedroom house. That comes in ABS and Kwala Kahwa. So that depends. But Sasabe, only who can in Kwa neba betina. Munyam one single room, Mompasi baby, Makonya si baby, na mu fridge sin chaya. That would be enough to meet the requirement. Inti ano na yeka. Afeso so nipa no free Ghana eba no. Ese so ye English language test because sabe Queen say ono na abetiti ye Ghana nso still abrofo no ye twa
Nti ozo nya brofo de egbo ho bra.
ye de ka ho.
Eno ye brofo ben bia and then bia na say this ka book mo de.
Enye too much brofo a din a se mi metimi atro sa brofo na obia betimi atro.
Okay.
Nti na nya brofo a e kire so yire so den say wo university degree there, then that's fine. The obeya say obeye NARIC conversion e de aka ho. E de attach say ampa why ye course sa course no was taught in English. Now they meet this requirement. And so you tuberculosis test as well. If we Ghana and ever, that would be required. To say, oh yes, I name my way now kabum. Now unya lawyer papa emanet nase. Etro wa no asem da mushia. The other thing so say, as I say ultimate show say only sa ni pay me no mushia. Is ya no nyese telephone so and I say WhatsApp and I say Facebook. As I say mushia physically. Na mo hu mo. And also, yeah, one requirement now EU emramuno is not there. It is a nipa no we share no Facebook now in the bomb common or don't know for EU need there nka wetimi forward there. Under the immigration rules, you know, it is not like that. You should have met the person now more established relationship, you know. So that's fine. It is a meet is anima we nyina na unya o lawyer papa na otenase na otro wanu masem eda amuhia ye kwan amufa asuhia ye odonkomo amudi ene nsra wakọ sika wode mane ene sane mani nyina wakano kama akyerkyere mranu mu abolete kama e de aka ho e de home officer
lawyer for bro for no move through kaka
of course yes you know because sabi omo na omo ye adwuma no enye omo nyina nete emra na se kosi ase sebe you know enti no say ufri sebe BWF solicitor na uhu BW no F no ka ho na solicitors eto aso a you
well so you
so you careful
e bin kofo omo ni mra
exactly enti so you careful enti time and time again no we've seen situations you know arise one letter on a letterhead, no, changes the whole dynamic. For instance, lockdown, for the omo application call, visa center, and so omo chumi. Senior partner, you know, strategy, Emma, complaint on one letter. Soon as, mobile back, so no, omo can't say baby ada. Say omo agents na work Ghana no and stop for not to do the biometrics. But then they had a problem. Into no one can say you try application no. Into no young crowd ni nyina no betimi asa come back no makoye. Now, when my omo call back no, the reporter omo dey bring back nature said when they went the second time no, the treatment I dey ma omo no. As a sebe Prince Charles waba Ghana all call embassy na wakoye bi. Special treatment. Very very special treatment. Emu 90% nyina the amount ama omo okrom ha.
Okay.
So that is the power of you being able to, you know, put a case forward and then obema lawyer ni etimi aye bibia. I'm not saying say wa wontimi nya wa de, but ade a enye wadwuma de say wa wo be ya this is what it is. Now, so that is for the partner route no. Ebi so ho na ebi a wo krom ha wo ba eno no ye key thing na me pese ye behwe wo krom ha wo ba akwala no ye British citizen ebi a utiwe unihwe nso wo ba o ye British senia akwala no be ye British de ebi a na opapa ye British na oje British passport e de man no ana bonje ye nso no because any papa ye British ntino ye nimsa akwala no so ye British. Yes, ubetimi agina sa akwala no so now so wetimi their application na watena kroma. Now the beauty of this is say sa akwala ya ne papa wahwemu ya aka wo ne nkoe. Wo sa maami ana wo sa papa se oba na ekwa na ukohia wo kani foforo. Na mo betena bom na mo ware a sa wo kani foforo wabeye step parent to your child. So step parent way so onu so ni asetena wo krom ha onu so betimi rely on sa akwala no na onu so edi enya na asetena wo krom ha intino enye EU no nko akeke na mum all of these other avenues no ewo ho again So Osha nationality law no more. A British Nationality Act 81 no more. There's a section a friend 59A. Now echre nipa oye papa. Obi a ye wo akwala no na ne din wo birth set no so anase no waware akwala no ne maame any few other things. This is for instance. Yemfan say yaw manu ne amamansa nyinsan. Ena yaw manu for whatever reason wahwim ena wamba. Ena yaw manu hwimu a wamba yi. Ama so sebe nipa ba kwa setena mu edin.
Okay.
Inti wabenyi seso aka ho na setena mu abaye den. Ontimi nya hwe. Ena eja odumfo bi ehu no. Ena wabepe no so bepew. Na obi a menyim de esi dan na apɛ me. Oso no, that be emfa ho. Sabi se onyima onyim nipa. Nyame ya adom so a osuo wa obasue nipa. Nti no me de mepew se ne wutie bia. Na nipa ye abefa ya ama na wa ware no ene ne nyinse ne nyina. Se nipa ye British. Na ama ni hwe. Na ama wo. Na ama se oni me ba no papa. Na nipa no so gitum se ampa me ne wo ba no papa. Se ye dinidin kɔhye birth set so se ampa on na ye akwala no papa. Akwala no ebenya British citizenship. Ama begina akwala no so no no so enya na setena wo kroma.
Where your strategy?
Absolutely.
Okay.
But you have to have a ninu to see this.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you find say or this papa assistant enso anko wiehwe. Na ama say genti adada. The devil you know is better than the angel you have.
You come from Adia.
Come from Adia, sir. After all, me na abo brave fiti Ghana na ebedu ha. Bibi nti na yaw etwen ho. Ba yaw asa babak we am ko enso anye yi. Yaw asa babak say ama de ma ye bia fa che me pema Adia sir, ma be fa ma Adia. Yaw ne na sa be kan abo. Yaw aba be ye the stepfather of Sir Akwala. To so ni ama kan bom na motimi atena se e bia ware kura sa ba mu a wa be stepfather. Yaw ebetimi agina ama ba yi so na ono so de enya na setena wo.
Bi kura na e ono ane bampo.
Ebetimi aba ne sa. Ebetimi aba ne sa. Ebetimi aba ne sa. But amade ohia Mr. Ezekiel kwaku manu se hwan a na o se opedo ne nyinse ne nyina. Ezekiel so ye British. Na waje akwala no. Waje British passport e dia ma no. Nti ama be abaye British. E bia na nka ebe si ekohwemu kura na nka ye yawdea. Nso oba onyinse no mpanimfo se oni nim
ne kunu. Ana akwala ne papa.
That's right. Nti so say ye Ezekiel dia na Ezekiel so aje atum se mimi hu na onyim but mu gitum se ye media. No the need to so near their man there. Then that's absolutely fine. And Rani say yes, obetimi aye passport no e dia ma akwala no. Na akwala no ma mesusu etimi agina so etimi anya setna 2.5 e okrom ha. Say ankoye yie na etutwa yaw betimi abefa no ginti adada back. Na ono so agina the step child no so na ono so etimi dia yen krata no wata.
Lawyer me was scenario be.
Yes.
Yam fanda say atamenu any kwaku ado eware ware no ya jatum wo fie ha mremu bi a ma ye wede popi ni ade gina won krata so bibinti me kana me gina yie sabe manosusim na so atamenu atwa no ho ani kwasi mensa akofa yefunu wabra aware ba akono enguye se kwesi mense yi a ono ene obayi afa yafuna enya na yire no se omo wi a bema na ono awade na nkasakrata da so no obetimi age se ewomi se mayire afamachi wakowo nanso akwada we media meje free atamanu nsem na bia magina so dia ye bibi fofora na.
Okay, so eno bi na ye kan no sisia no. Nti no se sa ni pay e wo Ghana na maami a ono na awo be eko kase ni kunu ne saa papa no de a then the nationality law no de can say akola no time na ye wo no saa nkofo ne betimi aye ne papa de na waware ne maame saa time no nti na chese wohwe mu a se maami koka se ni kunu no wo Ghana no even though onye ono na ye papa no no ono na eware ne de a na efa baabi no obe deny akwala no saa ne British citizenship no so we hwe mu a last year nimu ho no ensem no bi kukọ court ema court no ebua se sankofo no nyina no yensa nhwe omasetena mu na omo citizenship no yemfa kwan bi so na yensa emfa ma omo back because this is what happened obi a ebia o free Ghana eba na waware obi wo hodada onjai saa ware no ene waba krom ha ene wabefa obi ene one na anyinsen ene wawo akwala na nka asasa akwala no oye British citizen but ebia yebekwa akohwe mu no na onjai saa aware no na UK immigration for akoyi enu aba se okura wo free Ghana eba no
na osimi
ka kire yen se waware okay ebi o ha nkofo so omo ye jeso se ebema omo asem no mu aye strong se oba UK waware nti ne mean se bibi o Ghana a tie down nti oba ha ombeka nkofo binum so omo yesa but the wa country home office for no eno na omunim nti wa country omo from Ghana se waware nti omunim wo record so se uyo obi a waware na waware na umfa divorce certificate mba dia na chese o marriage first one no eda so wo ho no nti se oba ha na wo ni obi abewo na nipa no ye British na wo expect se ye ma akola no passport wa bra sa ware no njaa ya nationality no no se sa papa na wo njaa no
ono nationality na ebe ma akola no
so that is where the nuances and the dynamics are. It's say uhu a uye bibia obey careful. So when you're careful, then ubekwa could create problem ama akwala no na ababe effect.
Okay. Lawyer Patrick, I'm up for pim say or more emra. Comment back over very nice one. Or say strategic management in fatherhood. That's it. So and we so the yes, mercy. There's no response to public funds restriction can be removed. You need your letters from the GP, social services, and please speak to any of BWF solicitors lawyers. They will be able to assist you for a small fee. So and obi question you know which obi so the kwayo puku ajima was say I'm an example of what Lawyer Patrick is saying. Thanks to BWF solicitors, I'm happily living with my wife here. God bless you, Lawyer Patrick, for my application. Say, open say, or send a text and also WhatsApp message at the brain. Text and a WhatsApp message number 07950 422 780 07950 422 780. If you also or questions, no concerns, no. But what do you have for na meanfa Emma? With BWF solicitors, you can never go wrong. May Allah bless this firm. Allahu Akbar. 0208 123 1016. Me can add a amount say bomadi answer over to me and send the or call no na yebefa number no I ready 0208 123 1016 and I say over send it message at the about 07950 422 780 your message back ewa ha wo WhatsApp no so I mean konko fa emfa emra or say my set application set M but your set M no then application marriage application. Okay. I'll say my set M application has been 6 months now. What can I do now?
Right. Into you say home office or more standard giving time almost within that time, you know, at least as a to me a decision, you know, 6 months.
Okay.
It is a almost these 6 months no man no bro so not just say ankasa policy no so nti no bet me raise complaints with them but you know him say emra e wo mu enye
normal time
papa nti no applications ni bi wo ho a because we feel say we in June nti bepim na this 6 months bear in mind say back in March and April no na nkofo bi aye applications dada, and then we had a lockdown. Into the nkofo no nyina no omo be share queue mu. So there's been a backlog since that time now you lock down. Oma ya application na ebi omo ntumi nkoye even the biometrics. Omo so a omo nya akwan nkoye ni na afei na ye consider omo nyina applications no. Nti wa wo ye odi eju na office okay this 6 months no. Yes, you have a case. Name omo no. The SSA also ubu nkonta no say lockdown we e de eniema bebraba. In fact, we've had intermittent lockdowns and na ye kasa ye kura no ye da so ejina ebimo. Nti no sa niema ni nyina ye niema wan kasa no ubetimi de wa adwen ebubu a consider say ebi enu nti. It doesn't stop you from raising the complaint to them because so one kasa utiri yes, raise the complaint and then wait for
but your file of for a so 0208 123 1016. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's that to say? Okay, but you too.
Uncle Patrick, Kofi Antubam.
Oh, hi. Uncle, good afternoon. I'm Patrick to say. Great. I hope so. Will's food now here. Great.
But the question first one.
Yeah.
The question first one, will be a European passport, being in Holland, France, or anywhere. Now, will be real move there 1 month before with this visa. I know this visa move UK and so or move. Now, na wonya na or training European passport, but or the Ghana passport with indefinite leave to remain by. Obere mu wie no, na wonya ne France passport no. And or cover the France passport no the buy. It in that case, no say or your application now. Obetimi aye settle status akase. No, I have 1 month before, and I say time now wonya ne passport no. Being the European passport, and not open use and what now. I know I'm part I know I'm number one. Number two, say about 20 years long the application. If I saw me back Chrome hand, my use me back as a volunteer. It's no minya NI all right. And I'm a Juma with me NI na, but me visa we and one of my use for 20 good years. Me time no so January ya. Na me ba so me application na me use ejuma ma ye nyina for 20 years no as proof of say na me kroma. Patrol office menya assembly wo ho ana say metimi use but because I wasn't allowed to work anyway but no when I and also so me person won't tell me how to go about the application. The part of my cat didn't come and I said,
me and family no answer.
You already may comment.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Right, okay. Two very good questions.
That's right, yeah.
Very, very important. In fact, the first one, very important as well. Now, you're taking the first one first, in that order. So, the na Kofi person trying say, you be or France, or you Ghana, or you French passport, but or be a HSO or indefinite leave to remain. The infant say you do 2 years there in one, or France, and to beat the deadline, or yeah fast, into UK and sign at the deadline period. In fact, be betting the access sampa, or be real UK and sign at the deadline also. Into no, so or yes, I pay ya. See our deadline na sunya. Nyamia ya dom French for so a man a passport to you. Obetimi ya application. Now I can say no owo kroma into no or right to say a man of pre-settled status. And I also say obenya limited leave to remain. And that's the first question.
Okay.
Oreku, yen na yen say appendix EU no any EU SS no. For EU for any or more family members.
Okay.
Into no either say oye EU ni a okuta European passport and now say oye EU ni a okuta European passport ne family member and they be anka free France now by. In Kofi's case, on follow into any of those categories now ya can.
Okay.
Indeed, okay no one can so a family member or be real with the Ghana passport so be a what's now and office so be. Into so dia time na Kofi eba be rua UK no. Na ono a onye EU national to start with. Ono so a no onye a family member of an EU national. It's what claim and or what to say ye mano pre-settled and as a limited leave to remain. Because onye EU national. The requirement is say oye EU national waba be rem before the deadline period. And also say oye family member oba abe join and I say only o family member no maba UK. Then yes, you can stake a claim and make an application. In the case in any scenario now they are minor. And yes, so unfortunately, no, even though I could be rare before the deadline period, no, obey rare sa time, no onye French national. Into retrospectively, no, Kofi Timi can say, "Sisi, I'm a French national, no, mo mame assistant say me a French ni, na minya pre-settled status." Say if that were to be the case, there, nka nkofo bebre bema omo abusuafo afri Ghana, abe rem before the deadline. No one can say, "Oh, ma apply for German passport into a bar." Mrs. Omoma because it's unfortunately, no. I'm saying Kofi there, no. Enye Jumasa. It's or missing deadline, no. Because now onye French ni ansana over room. It's the random to me connecting concept. Sisi our French ni no. Yabema on quite now when you're pre-settled and I say limited leave to remain. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. The same cannot or EU citizen. Now on deba and sana and yes idea not just a Mrano Emma no home equine. Yeah. All
right. I mean
I feel that the second question was to do with the 20-year rule, no, which is your friend is saying paragraph 276 ADE. Sunny kind of private life it will chrome her. Now 20-year rule no say what's now chroma 20 years. What's now legally crana or be bia ubetimi dia say ampa for that 20-year period now to chrome her, then that's fine. Evidence near to be a ubenya, I bet you say now to chrome her. Ebi anasa time yes, koli now ye kakra de show. Into no be a chese opokrana will be FR account when I say oh bank statement to be cry. Ubet say ampa now oh bank statement a chese uti chrome her. Ebi now GP, we be a GP. Ubetimi adisa records ni na because every single time be na obeko GP no e be record wo nti no baby a wo gaps no obetimi use GP records no e dey fill in those gaps no enya o pay slip ni sa ni man nko na obetimi ya share wo letters niema junk mails ni ade a yembu no nyina no obetimi aboaboa ni nyina no na wo de aka ho ama wasem no adimu e dey a kire sampa na oti krom ha for 20 years ni nyina no what now even though what now illegally but then emrano ma ho kwan say wa have for sa period na obetimi aye wo application na ososo yama 2.5 years na what them even though aye sa 4 times and sana when you are indefinite yeah
okay I mean en share say metimi afa aye yeni aba na manyete na afishapa. Hello na afishapa.
Yeah, I'm from Messiah. That's what I'm saying.
Ngwa kakra se machi wa beto so ho.
When then? Yo, mi checha mo nyina la Patrick ni ma official panso.
I think comment here manye.
Okay. Yo. My thing I minya feeling be say amanfo aye confused kakra e wo community ni mu. Am say o de woni won edi enkita ho bebre nti mame emisa o say saying na AC aircraft amanfo entiase wo sa EUSS and is a pre-settlement scheme no and the deadline be twa mu no have we had a few some crofo at Sadia Nasipa?
Reku, me that's the question no. Metumi aka pempen say ebeye 50-50 and I say 60-40. 40 ne beye omo a omo ehu so kakra. And 60 ne ye still a omo adwen ye omo intentan kakra. Just omo nyanti the whole Brexit at pre-settle ne settle status omo nyanti ase papa.
Okay.
Because then me na ya na nkrofo frefre e da so bisa even cry democrat nim ne eko so omonti yo say omonya information no ene nyame paninim na ne etie ne say senior de bia ye education no online radios na dia na a whole lot of people any access so nti omomo de ne ye mate maka we see nti ya na we see no omo nhye da enti ade ne nyina ase
Okay.
senior meti question bi say obi bisa say wenya bewre mu dadansa na ne book ye be senior lawyer Patrick echeche in fact eto aso mu pa because enka obi abeka say ene ebusuafo ne mbra na chire na omu passport aba oreku
Yes.
more question you know community no in fact ye adwuma but say endu echire senior ye pe no however no ye guswa ye bohu dewo nkrofo eko online a trust me omo ko hwehwehwe nyoma sebi bi wo ho anhye da emfa kwan mu instead of some be hwehwe lawyers website no mo akenkan enti that brings me to the problem of akenkan no so yandodo na empe akenkan but so who video bi say kodia anche krobeka so onhwe 5 or 2 or 3 minutes bi embi ana ne question bi ana say ne hia de bi obi ebisa ansa na so beko ho na wetie no wenya ansa se ekire na adwen a ansa wa petire akwan nti no nso ho nti no metumi aka no tia wa enam emre nti no na mensem bisa me question ya ene anope nipa mienu na ebisa me sa question no ba ko say oyeyi uni owo Germany sisi a ofre me bisa me se nti obetumi abeware ewa ha na ewo na me say odo de fashion you can still come and then get married or but share no any nyoma or say wo ye to legalize your stay no na assisa no do de ensisa but me say lawyer Patrick nso betumi acheche mu kakra kwan obefa so si oba wenyo abawe bi wa hope so obeware na kwan ben obefa so na wa ba be yes aware no enam new immigration rules na obedi so no and secondly so no eno ami share abrantie bi bo say or the question ba me way no or the question the Daniel Pom me say wasan asend the question no aba platform no so but scrolling up nti ebekọ soro kakra enti no say mrebema me kwan a metumi akan ntirawa na say mubetumi aboaye na ya answer question or the Daniel Apom na obisa sisi a question answer here
there are two screens so with all due respect I would like to ask a few questions about 10-year route family route. Is there any end of times before you switch your first, second half years to 5 years, please? And what are the requirements of it? And after successfully switching to 5 years, will the Home Office collect the card you owned before the new one? And is going to be written 5 years on. I'm saying your person say so a year 10-year route na brebe na betumi asesa to 5-year route. Me say lawyer Patrick we are obobo modern na we ano ade amaye na eda sipi na da be na ba beta isa akonya ya meti wen
wotu nsa frɛ me ano maba
me de call classroom ha kwa kubisa say wait ya ma ho kan
nyame adoma February beginning of February meba
nyame ho na me so mako leave kakra ho
sa Nti na konya ne so nya hye. Menja mo na mo yi mo dwuma. Mo
Martin.
question me but me frele tana my bisa.
No problem. Yɛda ase pii. Abusuafoɔ yɛnnuaba wote ne nkan ɛyɛ na mayɛte waba aba abɛboa yɛn ɛwɔ question no. Mote ne nka ɛyɛ Friday anɔpa bia ɛwɔ GN radio so ɔde saa BWF solicitors in community program yi abi ɛde ɛbrɛ mo ɛwɔ so. Ɛno nti ɛna mo hyia no Friday bia GN radio so ɛna afei live on BWF solicitors. Wobɛtumi akɔ so ɛde wo concern na wo question no about 0795042270 announce say wobɛfrɛ yɛn number no 0208 1231016. And then the year exploring all the ways to regularize one stay in the UK after Brexit. Na lawyer Patrick Abwayen ayi nsamna no bebre ade amay. Unya live ewo Facebook BWF Solicitors Facebook page no so. Sanso so and unya live ewo BWF Solicitors page no so ewo YouTube. Yabasisi at one moment.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Every Monday to Friday, anopa 9:30 kusia numero 6 o'clock. Ubitimi afre 10208 493 7340. Wabayeng Emma yedi inshen nkomo ebro ewo community numo enunti titu mimenda ewia between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time. Ubitimi anie eshia ewo the community and the law jumedie so na nkomo ewo hono so yedi abro. Na just before yakoto and krano na ye wo yenuaba na mayeti ewo so na enra oko promise will be question say baby sama na ene ode aba enti muma memfa ento so na mimisa lawyer Patrick so betimi aboa eyi ano amayam se ni tintin ni titie mu nyina ene se obi wo 10-year route no so na obisa say breben mu and obetimi a change to the 5-year route. Also, with all due respect, I would like to ask a few questions about 10-year family route. Is there any end of time before you switch your first, second 2.5 years to 5 years, please? And what are the requirements? But obetimi abo enkakra.
Right, yo, that's it. I think that nipa ya obisa question you be a I don't rely on a British child. You can say qualifying child, and also be when you're 7 years. Now, when you're an assistant for the first 2.5 years. Now, so we will be out to say, what would advise is normally, and train my own stay on and sana was switch it. Because we bet me a switch it. It's you say, we will be out when you're sa. The reason why a mouth first 2.5 years, based on the 10-year route, and say you wouldn't have met certain requirements. For instance, if you are now work room, why you overstay? It is all you overstay. The immigration status requirements you would not meet. Because they will meet here. Yeah, my own top 5 years no so. It's a double to 10-year route. You do 10-year route so. See, what be meeting most of the requirements. When you are immigration, who about work room who baby a wote ubetimi aye English language so we sa nneema ni nyina account na wo adwuma o ya ubetimi de ache se adwuma o ya ubenya enough money a obehwe abusua a wo nkoye burden asudie emmeda ban so a then you can switch. So there's no set time, if you like, say say you use and say enu ne dru ho a ubetimi a switch. So long as you meet all of the other requirements, need the mabobo so uwo baby te uwo usike bia udi uye wajuma kama bi why English language e de aka ho ubetimi aye application na wa switch from the 10-year route to the 5-year route.
And say about 10-year route na a kwan wo ho say ubetimi switch.
Yes.
And now say you do to so a so tena so a.
No, a kwan wo ho say ye ma under yemfa say we a parent of a British citizen child any ejina so de amawa. Yes, you can switch as a parent. No, but you switch. It shouldn't be necessary to be only a because you will be on random my friend direct access. Into no, so that direct access no. The your person actually you say, Abia, oh ya menu, oh ba, only my man son now, akwala no British. My warrior no, and I said my sister no, emuatite. It is here what your friend is saying, Norwood. Emma, my man son so near akwala no, ete Southwood. But ufri Norwood, ebe hwe oba. And also say, only akwala no mu wonkuta ho de mu family life. It even do a muntemu atete no ene maame no still no who play a role as a father. Inti only akwala no mo family life no eda so wo ho no. Oye de sese wo ye bia. Maame no so gitum say oye de sese wo ye bia. Court mu a say men ko hwe oba. So there's no restriction anywhere. Inti wo access to akwala no. De maame no be ya say obe kire say ampa say only akwala no mu nkita hudie na mutually no more agree say mu nyina mo behwe mo ba dia bom. That's all. Into no side nipa no yes the amount of first 2.5 years based on oba na ubetimi switch it to the 5-year route. What you need to show is maintenance. Say baby a wote any wadwuma a wo ye che say ubetimi ahwe ho ne oba. Now again here there's a perception be said as so umiti 18,600 that requirement. No, it doesn't apply. So you'll be will apply based on Uba now or direct access. Now your friend is saying switching now. You don't have to meet 18,600. No requirement ni say ube timia maintain no. The maintenance no bibia your friend say so be wo income support so and the level say ni sika onya no what to BBF free ma ubenya size can pepe. That's what we're looking at. Into the new ubia sebe onya 18,600 any betimi switch. So betimi show to say the makano dia. Then in fact case of Volvo Emma yeti ase any I think the K Pakistan Emma yeti ase say so betimi ache say usika unya no say what to BBF free mu na ubetimi meet the standard of ubia or that your friends say income support so there. Not just say you are good to go. No answer be English language level A2 na odi
So
account
bro
na
for
say
the
B1
queen na dey obi bisa.
of course send there no na dey bob brawa until say untimi nkan bro for there na che say ehun hia say e be mo watena ha we ko ba bi e kan
I mean ko hear me near you ahoma no so hello.
Yeah, hello, me mamo afisapa.
I think come to ka France ya mo nyina so a che ja na ye obi dey so ama no.
Anye he na me tie. Your family question because of rugby.
Yes.
Me person me bisa lawyer say.
O ma on so ka kre bi nka ho ma me why.
Oh, sorry. But for
Afia
yeah. Maybe na so omo ka say omo who say refusals, especially extended family members, no omo refuse omo bebre. But towards your friend is saying time is free mono. Na menya ba one reason omo say the omo office no expect say omo ben who evidence are actually a friend say applicant in family circumstances. I just say nipa ko yamfa your friend is saying sikana nkomana on to me and live. Meaning say I'm say no any me person lawyer church mukaka. If some person me appeal now, how do I meet that? And as I say, if there's no legal way out, how do I go about it?
Okay. All right.
I hope the person here clear.
All right, okay. It's I mean, the wakano this is what is happening. Into why your application now you refuse you. So one chere say nipa na o si o na wo hwe no no na setene mu a ote e wo Ghana. One chere say no te. Into no ye nim say ampa say ohia saa wo mu ana na. Now, we as a firm no say ye obi extended family member application we will make the submission no na ya chere nipa no na setene mu a o de wo Ghana ntia ohia saa support
no. Okay.
Ebia na nipa yi waya ankonam susu no oni adwuma oyobi a wawie suku adwuma ho nsema yedin nti oni adwuma e na ote Ghana nti se wo amfa saa sika na anko a onye bi na ode adidi so ye bema eye case worker no enya nti ase se ampa se nipa yi ohia saa support no to meet the essential living needs ebia ye accommodation ni ntare obehye na aduane obedi ni nyina no se wamfa saa sika na anko a ontimi enye nti ye cheche ni nyina mu na ye friend say table kama na sika wo de kono ye ni nyina spreadsheet ni a kire se we kwa odi we to we ni a cheche ni nyina mu se nti na ehia se nipa ya o hwe ni obeto akoso no ahwe no na saa so nti ne ye ka se ampa se oyobi a odepende on saa esimesi. So that is what you need to do. But then say wetimi a kire se your friend is saying or you dependent na eno no keke eno mu gina so they refuse na. Well, you have a strong case to appeal against it. And you know say bibia or ye free Ghana, then you have 28 days starting from Dana ye decision na ye de brel no. You have 28 days to lodge your appeal. Now appeal no ebeko first year tribunal. A paper application now be ye. So say omo de bia ba online, but in online the no for internal refusals. Until wo de no paper form. Form near IAFT 6. Eno na obe use e de aye appeal no. Application form you can Google it online. Obe completing na watch the type of hearing now either say oral hearing and answer paper hearing. Paper hearing no, you send all of your documents and then when it comes to considering your appeal now, it will be based on your evidence now they are corner. On the flip side no oral no say why you say me person me did many coach we say me do na me can be na me kire say ampa say me nua no anase me wo fast no me wo fast a me na me hwe no say o person wan kasa wo ko gire mu na kan wasma that's fine. You can also instruct a barrister na wako gyina edi saa nkomo no ene court no edi ama say wachire bibia e kire sampa nipa yu na ohwe no so home office say wan ka say nipa no enye adwuma nti no ma refuse no. I think say you could just throw this over.
All right, Minia. And I see no contribution, no question. Why?
You.
You say that's it. Home from switch me up for 0208 123 1016. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening. I say.
Let me do one on Patrick Monsoy.
Me had to me say where pa.
Okay. But I'm listening to your question. Me question 3. But your first one here. Me EU member. And my name is Kuno Waha says. It is I'm listening to family mammy, brother, me mammy, Italy. I'm listening to the lawyer saying, a day any day, I mean, many radio. And second question here, Madame Fibina, our British child, you couldn't British now, Wabana. And even why a ding to not or be so say, even though why an application, or bet me, I could call claim for benefiting it because maybe or to cry you too know. You know, or say, or you're allowed. And our second, third one is say, but your lawyer bet is Zambrano Mo, Accra, at Chairman, Matthias, yes, that's it.
Zambrano, what cover some about some time back, and then they rainy pan. And that's how to call it. Anyway, but hold on in your 7
Okay, into we EU national or Chroma, but me actually say Oba Chroma before and son a deadline, all right? And our mommy war Italy, 2% oh mammy be join. That's absolutely fine. Into no either say Obeko now I some mommies now one casa. Watch say o ma me ni opa o the birth certificate ebe ka ho and as say wetimi aye DNA o the mommy passport ene niema na mo Italy na oni ni nyina na tie ana
me ba twa me ni nyina na tie but ma me ni edwuma de.
No, that's fine. That's fine. Into no ubetimi a say ampa mommy oni na atena Italy even though there's no requirement say we show say depending on you because say o ma me dependency at the moment is assumed say ampa say wo na wo hwe no but then you can show say ampa say only nana na Italy wa ba hanom you are settled here or EU settlement scheme but so why exactly it's in ko Italy na wa koso mommy nsa na o the passport ne eniema amabobo so nyina e dia ka ho na wa so nsa na o de na be room say ampa o ma me ni sisia wa hanom oba na wa ba be ka ho na matana se wa ha. Now, the second question. No,
okay.
Patrona will be sabi biana.
Me patrona means one is something else. I mean,
well, all right.
Because son literally speaking, into no, and yes, I was on and Sasabi or Yakola, but they mum because only na and eba be room to do so minimum I'm in eba. Into no san and person say. Oh, say, well, there's no requirement. Say, Odi EU busuani baha. As I say, Odi Musamano. Ni EU mrani musa. Okay. Into no, and one so much say, or your own mammy. Into so your mammy now on a nearby. Oh, mammy, a DNA access or your own mammy. Or birth certificate. So only birth certificate Libya. Then maybe a DNA would do the trick for you. Ubeti mi Angla DNA na or my boy or Saquine or so. Now what me actually then I think that you'll be okay. Pacho now second question, also nipa no odan Pacho.
Our British baby into original crown to your application. But the ten any more they be to crown ye too, but Sina still copy on conject benefit TB. But I may make a Jenny Sonia entitled, but let me be sending free lawyer who say dear Nonya. What is right for her?
All right. Okay, so that's correct. The all kind of penalty because so no amu no only asitsina no. And yet because akwala no ye British nintina or no bekwa akwaji say ye man of benefit because akwala na nkasa no ntimi nkoji benefit. Nti maame na asa awofo no energy benefit no e de hwe akwala no. E na maame nso so anasa awofo omu ni enkrata a eche say omo ye entitled to benefit. It's a bit difficult. However, akola no ene maame no betimi anya support from social services for any council no under your Children's Act no mrama ho kwan say council no etumi boa wo so they can approach the council under sa mra no Children's Act 1989 no na yetumi aboa wo na yahwe wo asetena mu. Sometimes they would fob you off council for no because niema mo din sika ni ho ntino on bepe kwan bi so e dey fob off. But because of what British child no obetimi aye application no animanum ya na application no oya on require say ye beyi no recourse to public funds restriction no every no so and I say yen fan to no so safi no oya o make this application na eba say restriction no and none so then obetimi approach council no na emwa bia say omode mani bia na omode ama no but see ya only asetena no you know the only other route and I say route back one obetimi afa so say the kind no under the Children's Act no 89 no na wakona council for no etimi ahwe na omaboa no
me ka che yeah Matila me da nti Zambrano ndi de echire won
Zambrano patona si Zambrano so aye den
na me here a little bit brief na obi busa me na me so I don't know me mind.
Okay, so Zambrano this is how it works. Zambrano ade bia no so oreku abeboa yen bebre because yes who akwala or ye British citizen child emran say untimi masa akwala no em free krom ha because otini krom EU ni because Zambrano case na nkasa no EU case echese say akwala tini krom na so wo ha untimi emma no em free krom anko nti se untimi ma no free krom anko so dia na nipa na oye the primary carer of sa akwala no se oni asetena dia esesa wo ma na setena no otimi tena kroma no otimi hwa akwala no na nsen die beto mu no say I think say is the case of Sunny ebe ma yehu say impo say uni asetena no kra na akwala na tena for over 5 years then you would qualify even for indefinite leave to remain.
Akwala na EU citizen.
EU citizen na so ye British citizen na woni na tena for sa period of time na wo na wa hwe no ubetimi aye application na yama indefinite no nti no mo na derivative right ya mo 5 years ni nyina bebre na ya application ma
Jahona minim say question we be how dey abey amount for many about the questions and brand new question about why dey pap go yi bibia pia yemfa na say ma wo abofra our British citizen okay ne maame ejina no so anya asetena ne bi ne papa no so afei na wetimi ayi ni tie pie bia kanas ne break akre bi na bia nkonya 7 years yes or 7 years wetin ya akola an application bi obe prove samo mo mramu ayi bia keze ayi so responsibility
okay
but you say they are working akola na British citizen no with a British passport papa no ebetimi ayi application say wa bra akola ni nya 7 years because so 6 years sembi ni ade does it apply?
Okay, so 7 years no rule no immigration rules no it comes under. It is akwala don onye European.
Okay.
Ono so onye British citizen. But there's a concession say ya wo krom ha. Na watena ha for the first 7 years. And I say watena 7 years. What ba ha wabetena 7 years then you say it will be unduly harsh. Say Rebecca say free krom ha nako. Into no ye ka say home office for enhwe na say o maame ana say o papa na say wa wo fo a no mo krom ha no say wo ye obi sa watena ha under your definition under 117D British Nationality Act 2002 no say obi a o ye qualifying child into say o ye qualifying child dia na emra say o a wo fo krom ha o munni asetena then they can make an application and then be considered for leave to remain. Case of chaos say, wo maame na na say abusua na munni asetena no. En sese ye hwe akwala no na ye de momo boni amaye no e punish akwala no. Nti ye ma mo ho kwan na muntimi ntina kuma na muntimi hwe akwala no. Zambrano no different. Zambrano no EU national. British ni EU ni. And near Yababe free me and asem kakra. But then British ni EU ni obi a free Italy EU ni nti sɛ woyɛ saa nipa no na wo krom ha o British child mo na mo hwɛ no sɛ mo yɛ mienu ɛna mo yɛ papa maame ebi a mahwɛ saa akwala na wadi whatever years mo na mahwɛ na mmara no ma ho kwan sɛ mo betimi ayɛ application based on saa akwala no na mo so mutumi ɛde atena krom a first no na yɛ 5 years ɛna yɛde woyɛ because akwala na ebi a wɔntena for saa 5-year period na ne amount of 5 years as obi a what derivative right to remain. But then so what share British akwala for some time no there. Then your recent case tell them kind of signing say then ubetimi make application for indefinite leave to remain.
All right. Abusia lawyer Alton and Kane lawyer Patrick Award BWF Solicitors Association and or Chayan Kwanya ye betimi anya you bet Chayan Kwanya betimi afaso na regularizing and stay UK ha. Enti wo betimi afre 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. Maybe a court line also very soon, but I mean, picking some of the comments. Meaning, at the about our Facebook page, a show, our YouTube page, and also so as well. We say I can attest to this. The power of BWF solicitors does wonders. Wumpini Adam say with BWF solicitors, you can never go wrong. May Allah bless this firm. So I'm so Anna Yawo Kwejo Poku Achampon. Now waka Patrick Emma Fatu be no Chimu or say I'm an example of what Lawyer Patrick is saying. Thanks to BWF solicitors, I am happily living with my wife here. Mercy or say Oba Hima Vicky answered my question. Thank you very much. Sounds so and you do na ewaha. Mo amoshe yen ewo Ghana, mo amoshe yen ewo Europe, mo amoshe yen ewo UK ha. Maybe I will be whether it's on your smartphone, on the large screen TV. To say when say YouTube credit, most of the smart TVs, you know, YouTube was so that anti to say the TV BWF solicitors and I would abattoir. Dockers dum essay well explained. Lawyer Patrick, thank you very much. Kwekure do say I love your set. Thank you very much. And Michelle now come on. And I feel Kwajo to force transit visa via Europe. Answer me about Patrick Abo Esu Ebu any kind of so at the Mujuma. I mean, Kwahumano so. Many about to say. I've been coming to you. No, I would say us on.
My friends are right from the beginning of the program.
Oh, Kafra. Nyamiam to me and sa account is Zadia. You with me a din como. But your question here, day too.
But my question is meaning I'll be due very soon. I'll be due in April, and that's my first child. I'm personally mammy, but because having handled a fresh baby before and all that, me make inquiries, you know. Almost said me prove that about Beko and about Beko consultant now. I can say on to him, look at him said he said, oh, can on the account my say. And I thought, well, you make a baby and she said, if Bodin will Ghana hold more about Beko. And then my message depends on me and every month sending me say no that so in this situation, how am I going to prove that? About the cost. So in that case, that means that I cannot let her come. And
yo, Miniaba, your boy, I'm empire is a obesio was review. But yes, mommy, particular case, no, very difficult because say, oh, me, Abetina Krumha, now you'll be a fancy or British citizenship and answer, oh, settled that. Very difficult, and yet an easy application to make, and you know the hassle to go through to get it done. In fact, tough, and it's literally impossible, sir, to be successful. So, but as a visitor, now I be sure send your work again. Or no, now as a visitor, no. as so otimi chere se oba obeko under visitors rule no 4.2 no say so oba ha abes yens ahwe na so oba visit here as so utimi demonstrate so the onus lies on mommy to demonstrate say oba obesan akonachi na no na em say o consultant nature say be o sika on account but that is not sika ne de hwe so mommy would have to show say bibi Ghana a tie down and untia or baha on my medicine krum ha. Nti ebia or your ma ko penny, ebia mommy or no ankasa wono store or cotton no dini dwa kakra. Ebi so on any kru na wo ho or more a ma or more share. All of those things will come into play. Now fe no wona oba on che no waseten mu ni bibia watimi a che se oba obesan akonachi. Yes, or banana or barber sheno. Or banana or barber sheno. So you could say there's a bit of an element of Article 8 in there. Now, you say Mustafa case, actually, so you have visitor visa application. Now, Uber Rezi, your friends at Human Rights Womodia. There's relationship you require. Ebi say bi a nipa yi oya wo yere anase oye wukunu e na oba be show nti oba be show no na say you refuse na ebe resist sa eye article 8 rights no and also say ebi a oya oba but wo na wo hwe no because oya oba na nya wo na wo hwe no form a relationship a yenim say the case of a J Ghana case eso so e ma yeti ase say nya wo na wo hwe na na say on depend wo so na form a family or your independent person then again it's very difficult. You refuse to ultimately challenge on the basis of your friend is saying Article 8. Into yen we are a very, very difficult case. It's not an easy path to go on. And yes, you can chip in the fact that ne nana waha and the fact that also depend on you. But Obanwa Beshe will end in Nana Nawasako. If they refuse, then you can raise the issue of Article 8 on the basis, more family life. And on that basis, no, as I say, to me, man, or Beshe ending in Nana.
Okay. Never. I would advise, but I would advise if you put in the application, Nabia over challenges via BWF's number na seek advice. Why? So what number no? Okay. Remember Bibi and Hawaii. Baby no but no very fine. That's it. That's it. Yamin shall be. Okay, bye. Lawyer Patrick, will be the question. Tin be abba na or the brain your WhatsApp line also, but my pick the ato a year page and also team. I may hear say you bet me a page a day abba. We say I'm a British citizen and also jamu. Why kosuja for Brekakra na ne man number 11 bako 15 or partner be wo a chrome ha watna ne visa no sem so by so be sray no watna so amana bro so be 2 years. She came to the UK with a visit and ex partner but never went back to her home country. I met her a year ago and we have been living together since. It is a we jani partner wa Ghana waba and now we have the 440 said about Konana ye come once. Or say on the other hand, I met her in Ghana a few years ago. We had a child who was born in 2014, but because of some misunderstanding, we went our ways and I took the child from her and was in the care of my family in Ghana. A few months ago, I applied for a British passport for the child and has been granted, which I intend to go to Ghana and bring the child to join us in December this year. Since the mother and I are staying together and the child joining us in December when all travel restrictions are lowered, is there any form of application we can do to assist the mother to regularize her stay in the UK afterwards without her returning to Ghana? Or is there anything we can do in the interim about her predicament? The child is here now.
Okay, so even before Akolado Krabebano, I think say meeting year or say or one Kolani be wahadada.
Or Bako 11, Bako 15.
Our Munina no Omone Yenua Bay and on net. It is unqualified because armed forces need to know there's no restriction to know supposedly no only a British citizen children to set the banner of free gun.
Okay.
So Sanet here then Yenua Bay is so no on the British citizen stepchildren and any who can. So bet me show say or play a role in the lives of the children that they are. Then you're entitled to see a bit me amano as a turn on so atana kroma. Even before on one kasani yembana on so British no ebaba account. Yes, obet me your application based on the relationship with the stepchildren now or mere qualifying children no. Now yet me amana sitana on so at me atana kroma. So nya the first 2.5 years now again obet me switch it to the 5-year route, instead of a shorten the period now, or the benya indefinite, not to say, or to me at none why.
Okay. Me will voice note to be a enche me page a day abba, but my main call a year a humano na me peke mini. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Evening.
Mpasho ma oneso kakra me why.
Evening.
I think mom is
Patrol question be am person be lawyer.
What that remind you?
Patrol say who worry we a British citizen now for worry free Ghana about how long now who be to me a jaya worry Mr. Bismarck is right. And our second question is, I say, okay, war relevant to know if you can see him for a while. Relevant to know how long to take your motivation decision. But your question,
Patrick, me ma o question no me fa bibi mpe mo na clarify kakra. Sir, o ka say relevant team e wo home officer na opeso check.
Well, I mean Obama make a decision on your application.
Oh, okay.
And more that's a DMC more decision making center. They are or more consider application or more make a decision on your application. It's yes, what make e application and as application under the immigration rules now. Yes, it goes to a case worker and then they look into the case and then come out with a decision. Yes, it's only a refusal application. But then you've made an appeal and it goes back to them and then they will review your case to see say bibi or more uncanny year. If it is worth say or more remake a decision normal grant to her, then they do that. So that's what happens. Now, to your first question regarding your friend is saying Ubia or your British citizen no akofa ne ho kani diaba. So say how long and ubetimi natina uja waria ube retaining or right. Another immigration rules no, there's nothing like retention of right. Into so okofa ohokani as a British citizen and also be a oye settled waha. Okofa ohokani ba now obabi janu wa kwentimfia. That's it. Okay, unless otherwise. There's been an issue of domestic violence.
Okay.
It's a domestic violence issue about there. Na enuntino muntema titia. Then nipana o free Ghana buy no. Ebetimia rely on DV no na odia make application na etimia manatina kuma. But say one to ankoso who 5 years to complete because oba ubenya first 2.5 years and then you apply you get another 2.5 years. You have to complete that to be able to obtain indefinite leave to remain. So one yes sir, then that's it. Once the relationship is broken now, will be out in separate ways. No, you've lost out. Unless tell me there's a domestic violence issue and you're relying on that to make an application. Yes. And no ubetimia yet. Now when you're indefinite leave to remain. But apart from that, there's no set time. SSL one ubia or British citizen and as a settled person etna now ujaya you can't well retain your right. It's near Mao. Your friend is saying indefinite leave to remain, and I say Yebemawa assistant for and no ye EU runner ye can 17. Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Obi voice note ENT no na so waiting.
I think I don't say relevant people how long they take care or make a decision. Well, you know, every application or the home office, no, almost set time, no, within 6 months. So may make it
within 6 months.
Much
I shall say one day. Between the 6 months.
Exactly.
Yes. It's about 6 months and then that's
right. That's just upper. Yes, applications will be more than 6 months. And they do more than 6 months because of a need into maybe or why more than 6 months. Family permits need be or why will more than 6 months. Now chase you now chase you. Yes, himself we but it doesn't stop us from giving them the necessary pressure now, especially the count also to me because why
and as I say, Prime Minister say ultimately from fear. Do you mean from fear?
And so what we are casa there, I said,
but you see any idea.
Mr. Lawyer Patrick, the pre-settled 5 years now start from there. What the more na time is kumbo because I'm maiden, for instance, now mania 5 years in 3 months time. Much may reapply for settle that now there I have to wait till there were the pre-settlements no no.
Okay.
About this code.
Mr. Lawyer Patrick, the pre-settled 5 years now start from there. What the more na time is kumbo because I'm maiden, for instance, now mania 5 years in 3 months time. Much may reapply for settle that now there I have to wait till there were the pre-settlements no no.
Okay.
Okay. It's by or Kromana or limited leave to remain. But I say, or you'll be supposedly or your family member for a longer period. In 3 months' time, Obenya 5 years, which means that in 3 months' time, Obey will be to apply for the settled status and I say indefinite leave to remain. If they are all kind of sanity, then yes, obey to me ISR application indefinite leave to remain. So what for 5 years as a family member obey to me approve way now.
Okay. Me wa question be a WhatsApp line also mami miss or say me uncle and nikno omunyina wa 2.5 years based on their British child. They have done their 3rd renewal. The mother recently became unwell and was admitted to hospital for a month. Me kindness I will be the need to be remus and yourself. Well, next time I'll put it on the screen. Or say the mother was hospitalized for a month. Upon discharge, she now needs ongoing care, which social services are temporarily providing. Okay. The husband wanted to become the wife's carer and get paid carer's allowance. Oh, Mr. My friend, I mean, kind when the social services support ends in 6 weeks, but social services say it will affect their visa as they my question is, can they apply to have the no recourse removed without them having to restart their 10-year route? Okay, I think the essence
is remove restriction.
And that's what no the main carer of the area instead of social service. Social service within 6 weeks
well, yes, and it's a care for partner. Yes, your and then you make arrangement with the social services. I think that they pay you to do that. Yes, obetimi ayesa na omo arrange as ejuma no ya then obetimi akoso no apply for the 2.5 years. That would not stop them from doing that.
Okay.
Now restriction now they are no. They can apply for that to be lifted, both of them.
Okay.
And also any problem. And also make application say send your omo sitting mutie ni nyadia omo henha omo nye sika bi ma no bro so omo timi hwe omo a ma no kusi ase ntino yenyi sa restriction no emfam free omo so sebe ya omo betimi claim benefits. Now So oh yes our application now require say we show evidence just am pass you be a wasitnemu adding ntino you be here a bank statement for the last 6 months so mo year juma you be here pay slips for the last 6 months. Now these documents does not only apply to a year or ban on a bear man, but then so mo on kwala wo fie a omo bank account you be person you be hu almost so bank account, any savings account, BB a woman bia no, they want to see say and pass was sitting a BBA say ye a free swa a bema wahoncheno ato akoswa. So they can do that. And with a buy situation, I think say a idea a bet to me a boy mama or my year free honum na or my sitting at me home. And then because of R and the friend I'm call court last year case by anything. I'm at home office so make this application now. A born in tentem now year through. Majority of the cases now ya apply say and left it be anyone so far touchwood is gone wrong.
Okay. Busia Breno ekwa ni mu yie pa nanso so ye ntwetwe wo asem no enwo from ibema la Patrick Aboa na wetimi ayi ano de amaye me call ahoma no so me bi agina so kakra em say na botre me manensa enti ma men konkofa emra. Hello. Yeah, once I'm da so atwa me why.
Mpacho ready and hard. The
no correct.
Mpacho my question is you know they kind is me name WORAE last 2 years. Na tama ye worry na will depend on the father or EU ni. You know nyanya ni stay no. Until after normal mano ni stay indefinite say. Ene lawyer ba ko kasa wo BWF4 no cause it me application be just nya marriage certificate. Now wabra or apply for an indefinite in the state is no worry. You see, your concern is a date ben and find share a year marriage certificate and I acquire so. Because year worry no, not when you're indefinite. My second question, and so is Yanni Casano Casa only means I mean my veteran actually, my kind of say my veteran overstay. My question now, the visa is a person visa, and apart from say a war ever banner. Akwanya fufuro bia ni ho a yebetimi ayese be ya musmenya mistake ohana dawase.
All right, yo yenua penny yedase nti oyire na one the family omoye EU for na ti kroma ana mpacho
ane ene nyina mo ye nyina na yete hase
munyina na mote efie baako
mpacho ane yete fie baako.
Okay, right. Intino se munyina na motifie baako a you know nka obetimi a kire se wo father-in-law and as a mother-in-law no who depending on ono then you would be entitled to make an application as well as a son-in-law. Intino you papa no a waware ne ba a munyina motifie no sisi a waka se munyina na motifie so it means say you can show say household dependency, so you meet that requirement. So wait me take care now. Until my sitting fan say Busumi bia Olman and also lady amount £20 amount £10 if you are the two account at the chest or no and I show. And I only will and I mote the fee and I all shamo. O yere ejina so et media ebi. Think also wait me ejina Olman and I say Olediso. Now also so utimi edi aye application not just nka aye kama. Yes, data how the best so no there. So see implementation period no your friend is saying 31st of December 2020 yeah etwemu. So betimi akire say before that time no now a formal relationship no dada. Then yes you are in. Again durable partner idea and also so eka sa adie we. Intino again ubetimi akire say for the 2 years no one oyire atena mo bibi a chese matena ube show say mo durable relationship mo yes again ubetimi aya application but then no will be under a standard family member application a paper application which should have gone in by the 31st, you know. Into no, say, ubetimi aware, ma worry that na afi na wo koye registration. Now your registration na by the deadline of the implementation period, no, which is the 31st of December 2020, no. Na mo ya aware for only wasew ene wo yere ena mutifie baako wo niema a then yes, you could put in application as obia oye aso na ya consider for limited leave to remain.
Bacho, Martina, certificate, you know, you're quite a Ghana.
Yes, say Ghana na okoye no. Nti say wo na wo kire say me yire Auntie Mabel ye ware customarily e wo 2002 ene na kwanja ba say ye marriage registration enti ye ba register wo KMA enti no ya ware 2002 that was when you married enti saada no na abusua tena ase na ye nhihye nyina na ye je aware no edemao enti so ko register na ya then you know say before the implementation period no ebeba na wie no na wa ware dada nti wo marriage certificate no is saying say wo ware yemfa no say June 2020 ene bia wakoyo registration and also wo ware December 2019 and abibisa ene wakoyo registration. So then you can say before the end of the implementation period no not what formal relationship no edada again because motibo monintino you probably have documents who depending on what so no only na work the same household, so you could possibly show that now if you know akase bia usikasem say sika no dem ma na say or transfer to account ma no so no obetimi e dey show e dey account.
Okay. You, Minia, you see that sipping yame in show. Lawyer ma yankofa say me fa question back on yemfa enwie because ye no aso. Me call with table no so me say files in the dos. I was out to say that you go ejuma. Or see me kunu me yeah, kunu definitely so worry no. I say my husband, whom I'm married and dependent to, is Netherlands citizen, but we have separated for over 1.5 years now, and I'm pregnant for a British citizen whom we are together. So what happens to my unborn child? I'm 2 weeks due for delivery. Number two, since I'm a dependent and no more with my legal partner, can I apply for my mom to come and help with me with childcare?
Okay. This is also dependent on Nikunua and yet idea sound right. Because only Obia warrior, obey the family member. It's a family member, we are worried for. It is a application, make his application on the basis of your spouse and so we a family member of an EA national. Okay. Again, it falls back to the fact that by the end of the implementation period date, NASA relationship, okay. It's hot there. Then on that basis, now we make application. But on kind, so my warrior now say no more as unmarried partners and a baby. But they all kind of say on him or be work kola no be a British citizen. And it's a sanity and I say what message sa EU route na you wo akola na akola na British citizen again. Obetimi rely on akwalano na wa apply near man 2.5 years. So na sitemu edin na onisika obetimi apply for fee waiver. Bibia nanka ebebo the rule. But yes, obetimi yes application na ye the home office fee no and then IHS fee no ache no one make application near man 2.5 years based on the British citizen child. The case in connection with Omamina also a person a similar one now dealing on the radio. Almost the same. Logos something like that. So analogous sanity. Yes, and my mini bano difficult. Or says or barber the bar and in the nana. and you know just say so ba obesan akonachi enye so oba betena ha na emom ne ba ne nana wa ha opeso oba na ne nana obehwe no na ogege no kakrakra na otumi echo back. Okay. Very easy to do. Yeah.
Okay. I was saying lawyer Patrick our BWF solicitors and then on the and come on now watch a name and be when you're quite ebisa questions or concerns and be so yeah they are say or share your comments page or Facebook be nyina to me applique but in all no yeda more as say watimi ene yan atena no remienu na fe yeden komono abramo na me sre say wo concern bi wo question bi na yentimi anya no ema no enka wo emfa nkofifa baby basa na enkoji the wrong advice bomodi ase on the BWF solicitors ebedi enkomo 0208 493 7340 no be some time ben na metimi afre lawyer Monday to Friday, every anopa 9:30 could see a 6 o'clock. Office no EB lines no juma. They are very competent members of the law firm. Or more AD juma NT's appointment no see booking on by yama so say I was say o question ya no ma na the also ya and also obey a day ama. Now it drew Saturday we also saw between 4 and 6 p.m. Yetna say at the Jumedia yet in the community and the law at the abroad. In your baby at the question be by besides immigration and kwana. That be Remo and Komobia who feel say I was a lawyer for 8 me boa we are no obitime at the abba before what they ever mind. Ubin Subisa and lawyer Richard go and patrol and then on any executive producer. And you see him in front of the camera. Oh, the dream maybe now. Lawyer Patrick, what I say? And me I am mature P. Lawyer Richard, I think I'm a chin P. Money have lawyer we need so Mubetinka. Me am a professor. Francis Wusu Busumpim last week Motinenka. And Opemo na Ankasa, lawyer Bernard Owusu my comments we bring boy basso say a boy Juma. Penny one and YTT and T and so that's say Uguso etayeche na fe what the Jumedino echo to the community ma day ebro. Patrick, answer your BPJ modern and
Yo, Oreku, kakra edibeja etifo ene yadofo ene se yan shano so say EU emrano your free movement no is come to an end, but there are remnants or what still are no year juma. Ti mo amaye applications are yen decided and still EU law no be apply. Mo amaye applications are ye refuse mo. Na mo pese mo ya appeal no still na no sa akwanya no ho. Nti emrano be apply the same way. Mo amo twen se mo beba no June date bi a esese mo hye no so because after that no my kind will be say almost say they will not accept any more applications. Nti mo hye no so na owo bibia misro obeye ntem na afri ho. Ye Ghana aware no very beautiful. The bia am say a senior partner oka say ye wo ade bi a esombo. Nti no say sombo dia na enei o say me ho kani me ware no 2012 but enei ni akoye registration me ho kani susu ye EU ni ene ati kroma nti mpese me nya kwan na me so metina ha bi na me ne me ho kani ye bobra emra no ensi ho kwan nti mu nyina no mo okwanya say mutimi ye application still na you consider more under the EU settlement scheme. There are another category of people bia I think say ye twa o maja omo ye nkofo bia omo ye application as family members omo ye application for residence card no bi wo ho a ye ma no residence card no obi so wo ho a ya ma no ye refuse no on the basis of some flimsy reason bi san nkofo no nyina no betimi a resurrect o masem no. Okay. So long as because the majority of them no ejai ware ama ene no omu told 2.5 years leave to remain in line no because he be our British child. But o person wasitena no eye intentem ma because obi a person ko nya obenya indefinite na nka why the British citizens na che say Mexican nyina free ho. It's no we've seen a trend. It's ye be come for my nuanum say uyo obi a woware yie national na bibi nti ukoya application mutimi tena 3 years aware no survival for 3 years mutena kroma for 1 year send emra no kano na bibi nti no omu refuse based on e bia ne idea na say the juma bi na wan fa mbanti you refuse a resort to sa case no na your application under the EU settlement scheme no and show say uyo obi a na woware EU ni o to krom ha or is actually treat you right. You stayed together in Awariano for 3 years and you live together in the UK for 1 year. Sisi ano Awariano gu. And so you've retained your right to live in the UK. Make his application, no? And then it will resurrect your case and hopefully, okan wa semi ya ubetimi enya indefinite leave to remain on the basis that uwari EU ni a mojaya Awariano ankusi bebia na ya ma wasitna on whatever reason omumai ubetimi a resurrect sa case no na wahwe se onsa betimi aka me sure say my senior colleagues ne ba omo bedomu asukoyi achechi mama nkofo atiase we just wrapping up into this is just scraping the surface of it na nkofo aya aware say bibise wo ho up until June na ye be close bibia application mo ma yenye biem no mo betimi a pursue sa course no na mo susu a mo ye leave to remain based on 2.5 years as a parent na ebi asetena mu edin unisika fee waiver no eye adwuma still enra mi share mi nua ba bi ne husband omo time aso ese so mo renew my application omo baka ho omo mienu no ebu nkonta ahode ne ntimi nti ese yi akwala ne sinchen. Very sad story. And then we had to sit down, go through all of the options. Sisiano, yenim se nyame ya adoma akwala ne betimi account. Even pono ye share the option say ye betimi enya indefinite ama papa no na akwala na gina so aye registration no abaye British citizen child. A very, very, very sad situation because sika ye gin sisia ansa na ya ma 2.5 years no a lot.
Yeah.
Nipa mi no kan muboma over £5,000. This is all the lawyer fee be kan ho. You are in the region of about 7,000 to nearly £10,000 for nipa mi ensa. Na sebe you know, and no yan shanin so na you know fee waiver na e wo ho no legacy case na da roman you know and they would the corner say o church unsemu ye na omo abonitel the amount na wanya say yan fa mamo kra na ye yi nipa mienu na ye de ma omo a na also ho ahen kakra na sapa 10,000 there anu adin you know kakra edi beja ye nuanom no I hope say munyina no motie na sopam mosua de enne baby a yete ochi obi anu mo amunim ye nipa you know na bo de acha ye you know Yichia, all the crew, Penifuni, Bernard, and all of the senior lawyers now were handling the front desk team, the back office team. I hope so. Will be away. Yama Ubibia Afishapa.
Okay. Yeah, Lawyer Patrick and Motin and can say, Oboyang Emma Yidi and Komo and Ne. It's been a very interesting journey, 2 hours from when we started to this point. Now, Mijidi is senior lawyer Patrick Kayan, Western BB a womb. Sounds so, and Mijidi is also say when you're emphaso, I was so question ni be or high and Timmy and Yabre and Yano, Nanso so the TBiano, senior meta can waiting your friend lawyers now new wedding common forward. You want to be jaw on your amount. Ebremu me jinaso na makase COVID-19 no edaso. Away and chain. Say crowd here, UK me to crowd say one here airports near a day in a barber to nobody will come in, nobody will go out. So be a bit me ama numbers no at me a coffin. And unti bon hobai say when ye be our bonty and piet na fear. Sounds also and I say was a pia o call supermarket and now baby a koto groceries near basic near where your face covering. Now face so use hand sanitizer near there. I did buy from beginning, as we see or say a China virus. You in ye born diarrhea, say you see a South African variant, you UK variant, you Brazil variant. Nina be bree but and ye man not I be bree, the TBR or see a boy on by. Yamia hay and so abisi sabri na or at the pebi him at the mount and menja. who by Neshe Uhusi. I will say, and I'm doing a film with Frimpong. Yami Aduma, same time next week, we'll bring you another wonderful edition of the community and the law. Union Germany, Brazil, Brussels, Netherlands, Ghana, here in the UK, Northwest London, thank you so very much. Your support has been so very massive. So and Kwekure do and Namayati. Henry Vladnote, Yamiadum, and Daso ete Senya ya. Come now say, and I was your former boy in Najimai and a fee pocket lawyer, a year miniabachi, and then the one shame baby. Shaying every atajima that I'm making. One shame baby or here free, but whatever it is, I know you are around. You're for anyone supporting all the support services, catering from Bonguba and others. Lawyers say, well, if you have any adina, Munina may cost Edamwase. Yame Aduma, Ibishia, same time next week. But answer now, my column, Pessamisa Kai will be said COVID-19 is real and stay safe.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London.